Hey everyone, it's your girl TrueeBeautyy7 and I'm coming back at y'all with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a kind of recreation of someone's artwork, and this makeup is inspired by a piece by Pink and QB. It's her Space Girls kind of series, and the character I chose to do is Dark Nebula. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you guys later. Okay, so starting off, I know I look a little bit crazy, but it's all part of the process. So for my face, I'm going to be using the NYX SFX paint in purple, blue, white, and black, and red as well. And I'm also going to be using the Hydra Touch priming oil. Now I'm going to take some setting powder and just set down those paints, because if you don't set them, they will probably sweat off and not stay on. To dust away the powder, I used a lilac eyeshadow and a royal purple eyeshadow. bring out my cheekbones, I mixed the royal purple eyeshadow with a hot pink eyeshadow just to make the cheekbones a little more warm, just like the picture. To add shading and some definition, I went back into that royal purple shade with a fluffy brush and just took that into my eyes, down the sides of my nose, and yeah. To do my brows, I'm using a eyeliner pen. You can use whatever eyeliner is your favorite to do this part, and I just created some hair-like strokes to create the brow. I went in with that same eyeliner pen and just kind of outlined and filled in my lips with it. Now taking some blue and purple and green highlighter, I'm just going to highlight my nose, around my nose, my cheekbones, and yeah. I forgot that my camera had cut out, you guys. So right now we're at the part where I'm sketching where my third eye would be. NYX liquid liner, I'm just gonna create some freckles. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I post. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!